today it's a very important class because today we're going to study the personal pronouns in Spanish, which is a basic class. Let's go. So, in Spanish, personal pronouns can act as substitutes of the noun and are used to refer to a person. They are directly related to the verb, the conjugation of the verb. So, the personal pronouns in Spanish are yo, tú o usted, él o ella, nosotros o nosotras, ustedes, and in some countries it's said as vosotros o vosotras, and ellos o ellas. It's important to mention that the accents of the personal pronouns tú and él matter, as the meaning of these words change when there is no accent. So you should be careful with that, overall when you're reading or writing. Let's look at some examples with personal pronouns, but for that we need to apply some verbs. So today we're using the basic verb in Spanish, which is the verb ser. This verb corresponds in English to the verb to be, but there's a difference. The verb to be and the verb ser cannot match entirely when translating between Spanish and English. What happens with the verb ser is that in Spanish it corresponds to permanent or long-lasting characteristics, but not to location as it happens in English. I mean, in English, the verb to be refers to both, to permanent or long-lasting characteristics and to location. But in Spanish, these are two different verbs. It's not just the verb to be, it's the verb ser or estar. Verb ser for long-term characteristics or permanent characteristics, and the verb estar, which refers to location or characteristics, but not for the long term. So as you can see, there is no literal traduction for the verb to be from English to Spanish because it's one verb divided into two verbs. But please don't worry, we will study these two different verbs in detail in the next video. But for now we just need the verb ser in order to make some examples with the personal pronouns. So let's conjugate this verb. When we conjugate the verb ser in present, we will have this. Yo soy, tú eres, él o ella es, in feminine or masculine, nosotros o nosotras somos, ustedes, or for example in Spain where they use vosotros or vosotras, son, and finally ellos or ellas son. We have some examples here. Tú eres bonita. Tú is the personal pronoun. Eres refers to the verb to be in present, which means permanent or long-lasting characteristics, and bonita is the adjective that qualifies the noun. It's important to notice that the adjective ends according to the gender and number that corresponds to this subject, bonita, as an adjective in feminine and singular. Another example can be yo soy mexicana. Yo is the personal pronoun referring to I. Soy is the verb to be conjugated for the personal pronoun I in present, and mexicana means obviously Mexican. And finally, another example. Nosotros somos amigos. As we have seen with the verb ser, every verb has conjugations with different pronouns. So we will be studying different verbs and their different conjugations with all of these personal pronouns in the next videos. But for now, please study it with this verb and try to apply the personal pronouns. And please, if you like this video, give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to look at the next video for the next week, where we will study the difference between the verb ser and estar, which form the verb to be in English. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!